Using Excel, I will show you how to figure out the next year's wage. To figure out next year's wage, we first calculate percentage change in wage each year. Okay? So in this case, we start here. We employ holding period return concept. Okay? How to figure out holding period return? P1 minus P0 divided by P0. In this case, P1 minus P0 divided by P0. Enter. Here, P1 minus P0 divided by P0. Here we go. Oops. Here. Okay? These three numbers, let's figure out average. So average change or average increase equals to what? 1.36%. Okay? Using this number, let's figure out next year's wage. Year 4 times 1 plus 1.36%. Enter. Aha. We do not know year 5 yet, but this will be. Okay?